So I'm going to start by applying the cleansing mask to my skin. So I'm going to apply this across my whole face. And also down my neck. And onto my décolletage. Now this is going to stay on for 1 to 2 minutes. So once it's been on for 1 to 2 minutes, I'm just going to start massaging. So circular motions, always just not too firmly, but just gently massaging the cleanser into my skin. Particularly focus around areas where you might be more prone to oil and congestion. I personally find that when I massage my cleanser in like this, I definitely feel cleaner afterwards. So this bit will take you 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're going to use some warm water and the sponges which come in the kit, and you're just going to remove the cleanser. Now don't worry if your skin feels a bit warm or if you look a little bit flushed afterwards. This cleanser's got lots of niacinamide in it, which is an ingredient that many of us have heard of, and it's great for promoting blood flow to the surface, so that slight flushed look is totally normal. So our next step is a prebiotic enzyme peel. So I'm going to just start applying this to my damp skin after cleansing. I'm applying a thin layer all over, and as you apply it, you'll feel that there are tiny little beads in this, which are silica beads, which are environmentally friendly. And it's also very rich in shea butter and vitamin E, so nourishing and full of antioxidants. So onto damp skin, again covering the face, neck and décolletage. Now how long you leave it on will depend on how sensitive your skin is, but anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. So if you've got a sensitive skin, just 5 minutes. If you've got a more resilient skin, up to 10 minutes. And then again, we're going to do a massage off. So I'm going to leave you for a few minutes. My skin, I know, is pretty tolerant, so I'm going to give it about 8 minutes. So now I'm going to start giving my skin a little bit of a massage with the enzymatic peel on. So what this will do is those silicone beads are going to give a little bit of a nice extra mechanical exfoliation, and what will be left beneath is healthy, clean, revitalized skin without that dead dull outer layer on. So again, not to worry if you go a bit red. My neck will look really red, please don't worry about that, that's just me. All you need to do with my neck is touch it and it goes red. So again, I'm just massaging down onto my décolleté, and then I'm again taking my facial sponges and some clean water, and I'm going to start washing this off. Now here I really do like to make sure that I've been very thorough with this cleanse, because otherwise through the rest of the facial you'll feel those little silicone particles, and it will feel a little bit gritty and grainy, when actually what we want is for it to feel nice and relaxing. The next step is a beautiful water-based antioxidant serum, and the packaging is quite generous. You get a good amount of this, so I'm really applying a nice amount. It's got lots of different antioxidant extracts from citrus and blueberry, and because it's water-based will be suitable for all skin types. So again, I've applied that, and I'm now going to let that absorb. It might take a couple of minutes, but I'm just going to let that sink in. The next step is to apply the concentrate. So this will differ between the kits, and I'm using the Arma-Lift one, which is designed to help lift and support the aging face, and it contains growth factors and apple stem cell extract and resveratrol from memory. So again, I'm applying this into a nice layer on my face, neck, and again right the way down. So on top of the Arma-Lift concentrate, I'm now going to put my Arma-Lift sheet mask. So this I love because I'm terrible at sitting still, and as you can see, this mask hooks over my ears, and then this little bit here wraps up under my chin and again hooks over my ears. And I've never used a sheet mask before where I can get up, do whatever I need to do. I don't have to stay lying back to make sure it doesn't slip off my face. So I'm going to leave this on for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm now going to remove the sheet mask, and any of the remaining gel on my skin, I'm just going to rub in and massage in. Now, as you can see, all the redness that you noticed earlier from the niacinamide has all settled down already. And the final step is that I'm just going to apply some cream. Now, the cream will be different in each of the kits, and it's designed to complement the concentrate and mask that you used. So again, I'm using the Arma-Lift cream. It's very rich and nourishing, but not occlusive to the skin. And here we go, right the way down my décolletage. Hey presto, we're done.